Hey big man. Have you heard about that new genre of music called rock poetry? I saw it on YouTube yesterday.
Why no, darkness getting lighter. I have not heard anything about it. But I have read that rock poetry is poetry set to music. Poetry is defined as poetry using literary
devices, custom and conventional devices designed to leave an impression on the
reader's mind. Yeah, that's what rock poetry is based upon. You know, darkness getting lighter, Tim in Cubicle 13 invented those genres of writing and music.
Why no, I did not. You miserable wench. Why did you not ever say anything to me about it before? I have listened to the Extinct Ideas album of rock poetry for
what, the last year? Dark You haven't worn that MP3 out yet? They have a website up, you know. Darkness Is that you feeling my leg?